How to make $500 fast. How to make $500 fast. Your ability to save money and how much money you spend on monthly bills from your paycheck can either derail or improve your financial future. So if your bank account is always empty and stretched at the end of the month, you should seriously consider earning some extra money. In this article, we will not discuss strategies such as earning cash rewards or long-term money investing options such as real estate because while these are important for long-term financial freedom, they will not get you out of the water right now. This article will teach you how to make $500 fast, or at least quicker than you previously thought possible. 1. Online surveys. Earning $500 with online surveys sounds like a lot of hassle to get more money, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Swagbucks, Surveya, Survey Junkie, and Box Dollars, and many other sites allow you to get paid by completing online surveys in your spare time. Many market research firms use these sites to gather honest feedback for their studies, and in exchange, you receive rewards, cash bonuses, or simply a direct deposit for your efforts. How long does it take to make $500 with online surveys? They typically pay $5 to $15 for a survey, which takes approximately 35 minutes on average. So if you spend 2 hours a day doing surveys, 2 low-paying ones and 2 higher-paying ones, you will earn $40 per day. This means you can earn $500 in 12 to 13 days with just 2 hours of extra work per day. 2. Watch videos. We typically watch videos for fun rather than to get paid. What incredible times we live in when you can earn extra money by watching videos. You can earn points to trade for cash on several websites, including Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox Dollars, Nielsen, TaskBucks, PocketCharge, and Zen. Several companies and content creators want to get viral and pay for these sites to feature their videos and ads. They want to see how people react to their ads, TikTokers want their videos to go viral, and content makers pay you to help them decide which video has the most potential to do so. How long does it take to make $500 with watching videos? This pays between $4 and $6 per hour on average. That's not much. But suppose you do it semi-passively. For example, you watch a video while doing sport or passively while watching Netflix in the background. You may easily complete 4 hours of work every day by fitting it into your free time. With an hourly wage of $5, it takes 100 hours, or 25 days, at 4 hours per day, to earn an extra $500 in leisure time. 3. Rent out a spare room. If you haven't been living under a rock for the last few years, you're probably aware that renting out property may be quite profitable. You may easily earn a few $100s per month through rentals. You can either use Airbnb, a classified ad site, a Facebook group, or marketplace, or simply inform your friends that you have a spare room for rent. If you rent an apartment, check if your lease allows you to rent out a spare room. You can also use Airbnb to rent out your spare room or apartment for the weekend while visiting your parents or friends. How long does it take to make $500 with renting out a spare room? If you rent out a spare room for a longer period, you can easily pocket $800 to $1,500 per month. If you want to Airbnb, you can charge whatever you want based on where you live, but on average between $40 and $80 per night, and it takes between 6 to 12 nights to make $500. If you can rent out your entire flat for the weekend, you can charge between $150 and $200 per weekend. That means you can earn more than $500 on less than 3 weekends. 4. Sell stuff when you're short on cash. First, you should see what you can sell to get some more money until things get better. By finding stuff at home to sell online, you can easily make $500 fast. You can use sites like a Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Etsy, Depop. You can usually get paid through your PayPal account. How long does it take to make $500 with selling your stuff? People shop online all the time, so it can be a real piece of cake. If you sell 10 pieces of clothing you have at home for $20 each, you will have made $200. You may easily make up the remaining $300 by selling some old electronics and jewelry. 5. Do online jobs. Online gigs are thriving, and you can easily earn extra cash by making money online from side gigs. You can run an online store for someone, do online marketing, become a virtual assistant, or run social media accounts. Depending on your skills, you can find a niche to get paid well. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Truelancer, Freelancer, and many more, offer thousands of online jobs from fairly well-known to very new and miscellaneous ones. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs on Fiverr earn six figures a year. How long does it take to make $500 with online jobs? You can work on hourly or fixed price tasks. An entry-level hourly fee is between $8 and $15, a mid-level hourly rate is between $15 and $25, and experts are paid from $25 and up. These vary greatly by industry, but with basic digital skills, smarts, enthusiasm, and English proficiency, you may easily score a $20/hour gig. This implies you'll have to put in 25 hours to get the extra $500. It's more profitable to find fixed price projects and do them well if you're a pro and work quickly. See also, how to make money on Upwork. 6. Ad hoc sightseeing tours. I'm assuming most people wouldn't think of this, despite many people earning a career off of it. It depends on where you live and whether or not there are any tourists in the area. If you don't, you should look up the nearest tourist attraction and see how much it will cost you to travel there. Like the cost of flyers, this fee must be included in your price, above your profit. First, plan a fascinating walking sightseeing tour of a nearby touristy location. Learn the specifics. Prepare with a lot of extra tiny data to prevent being caught off guard by too many unneeded questions. Make it an hour long and practice with friends. You can distribute flyers with your phone number and email address on them. How long does it take to make $500 with ad hoc sightseeing tours? You can easily set your own hours and earn cash very fast by being friendly and advertising with your flyer in touristy restaurants and bars. Assuming you offer a day tour and a night tour for $10 per person on each day. If you have at least 5 customers on your daily and nightly walking tours, you've made $100 each day. You can make that $500 fast in 5 days. 10. Do some odd job. In today's economy, you can find many odd jobs that you would never have thought of advertising as a service and get paid for them. Odd jobs have a bad rap, but most of them don't involve anything illegal or unethical, and they are a perfect way to make some extra cash in your spare time. You can regularly check sites like TaskRabbit, Craigslist, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Easy Shift, Fancy Hands, Reddit, and Thumbtack to stumble upon odd jobs. You can also set up an ad in your nearby online classifieds that you take on odd jobs. How long does it take to make $500 with an odd job? Making money from odd jobs like making repairs and handyman tasks, helping people move, helping someone manage after surgery, getting them groceries, helping them to get by after eye surgery, liking social media posts and commenting for money, and many more can be an easy source of extra side income, and make you $500 in mere days. 11. Make a bake sale. I'm sure you enjoy bake sales because everyone does. Who said it could only happen in schools and local charities? You can make money in your neighborhood by doing some planning, grocery shopping, and fun baking. First, you must decide what you want to sell. List the ingredients, and make a budget, including gas to and from the supermarket. How much will this cost you, and how many things will you end up with? Set a price at which you must sell them to make at least $500 in profit after paying for gas and ingredients. If the price seems high, make adjustments or seek advice on forums such as Reddit. Make flyers specifying where and when the bake sale will take place and contribute 20% of the sales to charity to encourage more people to come for a good cause. How long does it take to make $500 with a bake sale? Don't forget that you'll need to get the items to the bake sale and have a visually appealing area to serve them, such as a collapsible table. Install a sign indicating how much of the proceeds will be donated to charity, as well as a link to your Facebook profile. After that, you can show documentation of your charitable gift to create trust. With the bake sale, you can easily make $500 in a whopping afternoon. 12. Become a driver. Drivers are in very high demand partly due to the current global situation and more people working from their homes. Neither will change in the foreseeable future, so it's reasonable to earn money on the side as a driver. Food delivery jobs such as DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Postmates may pay between $20 and $25 per hour with tips. You could become a rideshare driver for Uber or Lyft and earn between $25 and $30 per hour, or you can drive for Amazon and earn between $20 and $30 per hour. It's absolutely doable to make $500 fast on the side. How long does it take to make $500 as a driver? With an average hourly wage and a 4-hour daily side work, it takes 6 days to make $500 as a delivery driver, 4 days as a rideshare driver, and 5 to 6 days as an Amazon driver.